Cold laser is a state-of-the-art, brand new treatment that has wonderful things that it can do for patients. Now, I myself and the rest of our team have been trained to be able to treat patients with cold laser treatment. Cold laser treats many conditions. One of the things that we help patients with are things like tennis elbow, soft tissue treatments being one of the most properties that it treats with. Wrist pain. We have a patient recently that came into our office and he actually had sprained his wrist playing basketball. Now we ended up doing an MRI because doing some of our traditional treatments that we might do, adjusting the wrist, actually doing some passive therapies like ultrasound, just weren't helping him the way we thought it would. We found out that he had something called a ganglion cyst in his wrist. Many of you have found that that's something that a lot of times you can live with, but it was pushing on a nerve for him. After only 2 treatments of cold laser, taking about 2 minutes apiece, he found that he was able to play basketball, bend his wrist without pain, and he was somebody that came into this thinking, well, I don't know, is this really going to work? And he's pretty excited that he's able to do all the things he wasn't able to do before at 40 years old. Now, other things that we find that we're able to treat are TMJ, jaw pain. Any of you that have ever had that before and you find that you can't eat all the things you were able to eat before, you know that's something that's pretty painful for whatever may have caused that. We use traditional chiropractic care in addition to cold laser to help with the soft tissue to hold those adjustments and to fix that pain that you're having in your jaw. Cold laser is a very safe and effective treatment. It actually works a lot quicker than traditional therapies. Anybody ever have knee pain, sports injuries, maybe you're coming from an arthroscopic surgery, whether it's scar tissue in the knee, a few treatments of cold laser working on the knee helps not only get rid of that scar that you might have, but also alleviate the pain. We have many patients that come in here post-surgical. Maybe they have metal in their back, maybe they have a pacemaker, maybe they have something going on with metal in their neck or some other area of their spine. Cold laser is able to use that therapy in those areas and the metal is not effective. Whereas if you use a traditional therapy like ultrasound, that's actually contraindicated. So this is a great new therapy. The particular therapy that we have with this cold laser machine is the same machine they use on the field with professional athletes that gets them back out and playing with sprain strains in the knees, ankles, and other areas in about 10 minutes. So if you have something that you're concerned that you don't know what to do to treat it and you want conservative, non-surgical relief, I'd love to be able to sit down and talk to you and see if this might be a good, effective treatment for you.